Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert double horizontal line in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert double horizontal line in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes drop down menu and choose Line. Then draw this line horizontally. Now we can see here we insert a horizontal line. Then press Shift Ctrl and click the line and copy this line double. Now we can see here we insert double horizontal line very easily. You can change the horizontal line color or apply another effect. Click the line and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Style drop down menu and choose any style or change any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.